Hey guys, Mr. Master 2. I just want to say, I've just been part of this epic. Mr. Valor 2 here. I just wanted to say, where's part 2? Wow. Minecraft Jacob's World, subscribe to him. Said it's very impressed. He wants to do stuff in future with him, not in the wrong way. He wants to he wants more videos for him to watch Jacob's World, and wow, and I just saying thank you for him to subscribe to my best mate. It's unbelievable. There's there.
Oh, I've got to say, Mr. Master 2 is amazing. Got to check out his channel. I will check out his channel over mine.
But his is better. His more stuff.
Yeah, he's got more videos, but you know.
And more subscribers and views. But I don't do videos as well. And actually, I'm just so rubbish. Anyway, my name's kind of gay. See you guys later. Please check out Minecraft Jacob's World. Check for 6, but oh no, it won't come up. There's BL2 Master 2. Subscribe, comment in the comment section. Yeah, little comment in the comment section. Right, see you guys later. Bye.